Hello everyone, Andrew here from Managed Tech, and I'm here to bring you guys this week's tech tip on phishing. And I'm not talking about you're fishing for striped bass, for rock cod, or trout. I'm here talking about phishing with a PH. Phishing is basically fraudulent emails that look like they come in from reputable companies in order to reveal information such as passwords or credit card numbers. So in this instance, I'm not going to talk to you guys about how to be the fisherman, but how to spot the fisherman. So the fisherman is basically your cyber attacker, and they're trying to catch you and reel you in with that sneaky email lure. But nowadays you might see it as Facebook Messenger, any type of social media or applications. So to prevent this from happening, I want to equip you guys with 6 tips on how to spot phishing. Tip number 1 is poor grammar and spelling. They spend all this time trying to strategically see how they can get information out of you guys and out of me, and it's like they don't even check their work. It happens all the time. Poor grammar and spelling. If it looks fake, it probably is fake. Tip number 2, you didn't initiate action. Just yesterday I received an email, "Congratulations Andrew, you won the lottery." Yay! The only problem is I never bought a lottery ticket, so there's that. Tip number 3, they're asking personal info. Guys, your bank does not need you to send them any account number, any information. Trust me, your bank has all the information they need about you and probably more. So get an email from your bank. If you really feel convinced, call your bank. Hey, I got this email. They'll handle it. It's probably fake though. It happens a lot. Number 4, unrealistic threats. If for some reason you read an email and you feel threatened and it makes you feel like you have to make an immediate action or decision, or else your life is just going to be in turmoil and turn upside down, calm down. It's fake. It's probably fake. Don't stress about it. They're trying to get you into this mindset, oh my God, I feel threatened, and usually that's how they get money out of you. Tip number 5, check the sender. A lot of times you can just check the sender and you can just see, this just doesn't seem right. Doesn't seem right, leave it alone, don't touch it, don't respond, leave it there. Tip number 6, check the URL. URLs are basically like Facebook.com, things of that nature. You type that in. Whenever you have a link, I'll show you guys an example. As you can see that they're getting very strategic and they're getting very tricky. You see how this link, they titled it, log in your account now. They're trying to give you an action, trying to tell you what you're gonna do when you follow this link. But if you take your mouse and you hover over this link, you can see your real destination of where you're gonna go if you click on it. This is a very commonly used tactic. Don't fall for it. So please, use these 6 tips on how to spot phishing. So that wraps up my tips for today regarding phishing emails. Keep in mind, if it seems off, go with your gut feeling. Leave it alone, delete it, put it in your junk folder, whatever you gotta do. Remember to stay safe out there in the cyber world, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching.